Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. So I want to introduce you guys to a new tire that Falken has released. It's called the Falken Azenis FK460 All-Season Tire. I'm really excited about this tire because my tires don't last very long. So those of you who don't know, I run really wide tire and wheel setups for daily driving. My daily driving setup is this Aspira AF-10. It's a 1910.5, and I run this 295/30/19 on it. Now, what I've always run is a summer tire. This is a 300 treadwear Falken 510 tire. The problem that I run into is because of the amount of camber that I run, I wear out the inside edge prematurely, so they don't last me very long. So my hope is that by going to this all-season tire, it's a 500 treader rated tire, so I'm hoping I can get a lot more life out of my tire even though I got to run that amount of camber on it. But more than that is that they put some 4D Nano Technology into this tire that is supposed to give me a lot of mechanical grip, but at the same time give me year-round traction. So I'm really excited to see how this thing fares. We are entering our summer months. We've kind of already passed winter months, but they've also told me that is a great EV alternative tire because it's supposed to be very quiet. So as you guys might know, our cars have a lot of road noise. They're quiet, but the problem with that is that we can hear all of the noise from the road coming through. So I'm going to be putting these on the car right now. We're going to test it out and see if it is in fact quiet. They do not have foam inside of them, but again, Falken says that they're supposed to be a quiet tire, and we're going to show you guys exactly how quiet they are and how much grip we can get out of them during these summer months. So check it out.